In this video, I'm featuring this AOTOS E3 electric scooter that was sent over to me to showcase and make this video. This is going to be an unboxing video, guys. So I have taken the tape off of the box. I haven't taken anything out of it yet. They printed 6 steps on here on how to get this out of the box and get it set up. I'm going to go through that here on camera for you guys today so that you can see what the unboxing experience and setup looks like. Let's get into it. Let's take a look at these setup steps printed on top of the box. So first you're going to take the protective packaging out, raise the stem, take the handlebars out, lock the stem in place, put the handlebars into the stem, got a couple screws to put in there, and then you should be able to lift everything up out of the box. Looks like it's probably about 90% assembled. So let's see if in fact it is that simple to put this all together. This is what you're going to see when you open up the box. See, everything is packaged up very well, nice and protected. So let's start the setup process. All right, guys, so this here looks pretty straightforward. So I'm going to take that out of there. Second step is going to be lifting up the upright here. And we got some foam we need to remove. Some scissors helps. All right, so we're going to be taking the handlebars up, locking this up. Third step is going to be putting the handlebars into the frame here. This wire needs to go down for that to happen. There we go. All right. And then this here is going to go to the front. There we go. All right. Now we got the handlebars in. Next thing we need to do is put the screws in. So when you take this box out, there's going to be an Allen key, and it feels like there's some screws in there. So we got 6 screws to put in. All right, so that's the 6 screws. You got 2 holes on 3 sides here, so I'm gonna get those going here. That's pretty easy to do. It does have thread locker on there already, so they should stay put. Get that one in there. I'm gonna get this one here on this side over here just so that I have some stabilization. I'm an old mechanic, so I like to do things kind of circular when you're putting screws and bolts and stuff in, just so that everything stays level. Easy peasy. So this here should be the only installation we need to do is the handlebars here. And then it should be assembled and ready to go after that. So we'll see if that's in fact the case. This here needs to move out of the way for this top screw to go in. Let's get that back out of there. I don't want to drop the screw in the box. There we go. Get that out of the way. And then you can get this top screw in here. And then I got 3 screws left, so I got 1 over here. I think they may have given me an extra one. I'll take it, because I've only got 1 hole left after this one over here, which is this hole right here. So they gave me an extra screw. I'll take it. I'm assuming that's just in case you lose one or strip one or something. Okay, I'm tightening these all down now. I'm going to go into a cross pattern here around the handlebars, make sure everything is tightened down evenly. We're going to go here Go here. And go here. All right, so next step, we're gonna be pulling this whole thing out. All right, it's got a little bit of packaging to remove and it all should come out now. And there she goes, folks. All assembled, ready to be charged. So there she is, guys, all assembled. That was super easy. So the only thing you got to do is put those 6 screws in there, pull it out of the box, and this is what you're going to get. This is a massive scooter. You're going to get your Allen wrench, charger, instruction manual. Everything else is already assembled and ready to go. So that is the unboxing and assembly, guys. I'll be doing another video of some riding experiences and some of the setups. Hope this helps.